Hello everyone, welcome back. So today here we are going to just see an example on class method constructor in Python. So we are going to create out a student class and a normal constructor which is going to take name and age as a parameter. Going to create another constructor with the help of class method, okay, and which will take a CLS and a data variable, parameter. So by the help of a split function, we are just going to just separate the string and age. Okay, let's just try to do the code. First of all, I'm going to create out a student class here which is going to have a normal constructor which is going to take a self parameter name and age here with the help of self dot name and else self dot age. We can just create out a new method with the help of @class method and a new function, let's say from string. This is a function which will take a CLS and a data as parameter, and we will see that how we are just going to perform the actions with this data. So name comma age we will just split with from data by the help of a split function, and we are going to just split out from dash, just simply going to return the with the help of CLS our values, that is name and integer kind of age. That's all. So now we can just create our object from the student class, and let's just try to call our method as well so that we can just give our data, that is, let's say Kajal separation with Desh and 25. Now I want to just print out my s dot name comma s dot age. That's all. You can see here Kajal and 25 is separated. How? By we have created our normal constructor, taken name and age. By the help of class method, we have given the class as a parameter and a data. So data would be going out from here whenever we are going to just create out the object, right? From we're calling out the method as well. Okay, so this data is splitted out with the dash, okay, and just went to name and age, two variables respectively. Okay, so this is how we just got this splitted data which we just entered in together, togetherly we have just entered out the data and we got the separate data by the help of @class method in Python. So I hope you guys understood the concept. We'll see one or two more examples based on class method constructor. Till then, if you have any questions or queries, you can let me know. Thank you so much.